Out in the shadows where the smoke rolls slow, a cowboy stands where the flavors grow. Tan hat low with the fire in his eye. He don't say much, but his grill is sky high. He's the lone wolf, culinary outlaw, smoking brisket like it's laying down the law. With a blade in hand and a pit full of pride, he'll feed your soul and tan your hide. A whisper of mesquite, a dance of flame. No two plates ever taste the same. He's seasoned with grit, marinated in truth. Every bite's got a little bit of proof. Yeah, he's the lone wolf, culinary outlaw, breaking taste buds with no regard for the law. Just him, the smoke in the southern skies, serving justice with them barbecue ties. So when the sun sets and the coal still burns,